In a world flooded with endless productivity apps, one stands out against the noise. Discover how Doist captured the hearts of millions. Gone are the days of cluttered desks filled with sticky notes and paper planners. Today, productivity demands a smarter digital solution. Since its launch in 2007, Doist has quietly revolutionized personal and team productivity in exciting new ways. Meet Todoist, a task manager that dazzles with elegant simplicity, hiding powerful capabilities within its design. Imagine typing "lunch with Sarah next Tuesday at 1 p.m. and having it automatically scheduled. That's the ease Todoist brings to your tasks. With over 374,000 five-star reviews, it's clear that Todoist resonates with users worldwide, becoming the ideal productivity companion. Your productivity journey isn't just a checklist. It requires a personalized system tailored to your life and priorities. Todoist's features like custom filters and labels empower you to create a workflow that truly works for you. In a world of instant messaging, Doist redefines communication with Twist, fostering thoughtful interactions and focused collaboration. Join over 30 million users who have transformed their work habits with Todoist and Twist. Unlock your productivity potential today.